Very good morning, children. This is the video for class of writing shorts in MS Excel, chapter 5. Previous video we were discussed about class of writing for formulas in MS Excel. I hope you have completed all the Romans in your class of note. Watch this video, understand the question and answers, copy the answers, the mentioned Romans you have to write in your CW notebook, give your neat presentation. Before you start writing CW, write your name and put index page in front of notebook, and when you are going to start the lesson, put the lesson title and date of the class of writing, lesson number or chapter number, write the Roman, write slow, give your good handwriting presentation. The handwriting should be legible. I am expecting a good presentation. You have to write the mentioned Romans in your CW and complete your workbook activity also. 2 weeks back I have sent the videos for workbook concept explanations. Copy the answers in your workbook. Complete your writing task on time. Don't be defaulters. Complete it. Now I am going to explain all the book by exercise question and answers. Understand the concepts. Read the questions. Read it twice. If you can't understand, read twice the question. You can get clarity. You can understand. Try to give your own answers. Don't refer any answer key. Don't see the textbook references. Try to understand the concept and read twice the question. Understand the question, what they are asking. You can give your answers. And try to give your own sentence answering in your CW. It will improve your writing skill in English, and you can get a good clarity in all subject knowledge. Clear, students? Let me explain the question and answers for lesson chapter number 5, charts in MS Excel. The first Roman, we are going to see fill in the blanks. Let me read the questions one by one. Take your page number 56. Let me start the questions. First Roman, fill in the blanks. To view the available charts, click on the dash tab. In MS Excel, to view the available charts, where we have to click in main tab, home tab. Okay, so we have to go for insert tab. We can see the available charts in MS Excel. So the answer for this question is insert tab. Insert. Next one, the chart used to show the comparison between the items of data is. The chart, which chart used to show comparison between the items of data? The answer for this question is column chart. The column chart is used to show the comparison between the items of data. Once you have entered the data in your table, you have to insert the chart of column chart. You can get comparison between two data's table. The column chart is the answer for this question. Right column. Third question, the chart functionally identical to a pie chart is. The chart functionally identical to a pie chart is. The answer for this question is definite chart. DOUGHNUT. Definite chart. The answer for this question. The first one answer is insert, second one column, third one definite chart. Fourth one, move chart button is in the dash tab. The move chart button is in the move tab. Okay, so write your answers. Fifth one, a dash is set of formatting options. Style, A style is set of formatting options. Okay children, so the first one answer is insert, second one column, third one definite chart, fourth one move tab, fifth one style. So we have completed fill in the blanks. Understand simple questions or in the fill in the blanks. Write all the fill ups questions in your classwork note and give your answers with a different color. So write the questions in one color and give answers in different color. Put the lesson title, Roman number of Roman heading, date of writing, and write in your CW. Understand the questions and write it. Let me read the second Roman. I hope you understand, you got all the answers for fill in the blanks. Shall we move for second Roman? Yes. Second Roman is same page number. Identify the name of the following chart types. So here we have to identify the name of the following chart types. Children, look at the icons here. They have given the chart icons. We have to find its name. The first one is simple. The answer for first one pie chart, second one a radar chart, and the third one stock chart, fourth one area, and fifth one definite. Okay, so look at the icons and observe the pictures. If you can't find, take your textbook pages and refer the all type charts. See the icons, write the names of icons, the matching pictures here. I hope it's a simple activity. You can give all chart. You know all the chart types. So observe the pictures, look at the pictures, and give your answers. This Roman you no need to write in CW because you no need to draw all the things. It's not important. Just understand all the types of charts and its functions enough. Just write the answers in your textbook only. Okay children. Next we are going to see the third Roman. So we have completed the first Roman, second Roman. I repeat the second Roman answers once again. Pie chart, radar chart, stock chart, area, definite. Clear? Shall we move the third Roman? Let me read the questions of a third Roman. Yes children, in this Roman, identify the chart type for each of the following use given below. They have given the uses of charts sentences here. We have to find the chart types. The first one shows in percentages. Which sort shows in percentages value in this picture? The pie chart. The first one answer is pie chart. Second one displays quantitative data graphically. Displays quantitative data graphically. The answer for this question is area chart is displays quantitative data graphically. Third question, used for scientific data. The scattered chart is the answer here. Scattered chart used for scientific data. Displays, fourth one, displays 3D visual effect. Bubble chart gives 3D displays visual effect. The answer for this question is fourth one answer, bubbles chart. Used a data comparison tool. Used a data comparison tool is the answer for this question, radar. The first one answer is pie, second one area, third one scatter, fourth one bubble, and fifth one radar chart. It's a simple exercise children. Understand the chart, its usages, and read the questions here. You can give your answers. Simple questions are there. You have to write this Roman in your CW. Write the questions and give your answers in different color. I am expecting good presentation. Let me explain the answer the following in one word. Simple questions are there. I think you can give your answers. Just refer the textbook pages. You can give answers for the answer the following in one word. In this Roman also you have to write in your CW. I won't say answers for this Roman because you have to find some answers. When you find answers, when you refer your textbook pages, you can get some knowledges. So find the answers for these 5 questions. It's a simple. Read the textbook pages, you can find the answers. You can give your answers for all the 5 questions. I'm going to explain now. Answer the following. So this Roman also you can find answers. It's a simple. Read the quick review points on the textbook pages. You can get the answers. Give your answers. Try to give your own answers. The first one. What is on area chart? So take page number. Can see the answer for area chart. Take page number 52. Area chart. Write the 3 points. It displays quantitative data graphically used to compare 2 more quantities. It is used with the line chart. So this is the answer for the area chart. Next one, define radar chart. Radar chart answer you can see in a page number 53. A radar chart type is circular chart that is used primarily as a data comparison tool. It is sometimes called a spider chart or star chart. The plotted area can also be displayed as polygon. So when you complete the data in MS Excel, you can go for these 2 charts. The radar chart is used to give a presentation type circular chart that is used primarily as a data. It is used for the data comparison tool. So this is the usage of radar chart. Next question. Write a few subtypes of column chart. Column chart, you can see the answer for this question 53. You can give your answers. Read the textbook page 53 and write the answers, and they have to write the few subtypes of column chart. You can see, click on the insert tab and the column chart, choose a subtype. Here we have selected 2D clustered column subtype. So 2D clustered column subtype, this is the one answer, and you can see I can write other subtypes. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Next one, name the charts tools available. Name the chart tools available in Excel. Okay, chart tools you can see. Answer for this question is design, layout, format. The chart tools appear on the ribbon when you click on the chart. The tools are located on 3 tabs: design tab, layout tab, format tab. You can see answer for this question page number 54. So write all the questions answers. This Roman you should write in your CW. Write this Roman into your CW. Let me explain the next Roman, 6th one. Complete the question and answers for these Romans. So let me explain the next Roman. Write the uses of the following tabs while creating charts. So here write the uses of the following tabs while creating charts. Format tab. The uses of format tab is to multiply shapes, to modify shapes, styles, word styles, size of the chart. Format tab, it is used to when you insert the charts in MS Excel, you can change its formats. We have more options of formats as per requirement, as per your ways. You can change its format. It's a shape styles and word styles in the chart. This is the answer. So answer for first one, to modify shapes, styles, word styles, size of the chart. So to modify shape, styles, word styles and the size of the chart. Next one, design tab. The design tab, the control the chart types, layout, style and location. Design tab used to when you insert chart in MS Excel, we can change its layout, style and location. So this is the answer for this one. Layout tab. The uses of a layout tab to insert pictures, shapes, text box and labels and analysis. Layout tab used for the inserting pictures and the shapes, text box, and labels analysis. Children, when you work with in MS Excel worksheet, when you insert the charts, you can work on these concepts. You can understand the concepts clearly. Okay, because you did not hands-on experience in MS Excel, you cannot understand the uses of this tab. Just you have to create one table in MS Excel and insert any chart and go for these three options: format tab, design tab, layout tab. You can understand its usages. Clear, children? So give your answers with single line answers you can give for this question. You have to write this Roman also in your CW. Clear, children? Shall we move the next Roman? Answer the following briefly. So it's a simple exercise we are going to see. I think you can give your own answers for this question. How will you copy a chart to MS Word? Pressing Ctrl C and paste to Ctrl V. Write down the steps of charts. Go to Insert tab and click the chart name. You can get into your worksheet. Explain the following charts. You have to explain the following: bubble chart, column chart, line chart. I hope you know the answers for these questions. You can give your answers. So complete this Roman, these two Romans also in your CW. Give your answers. Let me explain the next one. 8th Roman. Complete the procedure for the action given below. So let me explain the questions. The first question is define chart. So the answer for this question is define chart. You can see the answer for this question in page number 51. Charts allow you to present information contained in the worksheet in the graphic formats. So this is the answer. You have to write a defined chart. You can see the answer in page number 51. Next question: why do you need charts in Excel? So what is the purpose we are inserting charts in MS Excel? For this question you have to give your own answer, children. Try to give in own sentence. To get a data analysis report and to see the data comparisons in the view of graphical representation of data. This is the answer. So I have explained the answer for this question in my own sentence. You have to understand the chart concepts in MS Excel. To get a graphical representation of data, to analyze the data table, to get a comparison of data's value. So like that you have to give your answers. Give your own sentence. Try to give your own sentence. If there is any mistake, acceptable. You can learn from mistakes. Write the answers. You have to write all answers in your textbook, and the mentioned Roman only you have to copy to in your CW. Complete it. Let me explain the next one. They have given create and modify chart as shown below. They have given one chart image. We have to create and modify chart as shown below. So if you have a system in your home, just create this chart and insert it and modify the as given in textbook. So do in your system. You can understand this Roman. First one, the steps to create column chart. Select the cells that contains data you want to use in chart. We have to enter the data in MS Excel worksheet and select the cells. The answer for this first blank is cells. Select the cells that contains data you want to use in the chart. Click the insert tab on the ribbon menu. Click the insert. Answer is insert here. Click on the column chart from the charts group. So this is the answer. The first fill up answer is fill cells. Second one insert. Third one column. Fourth one charts. So these are the answers, the steps we have to fill in the blanks. I hope it's a simple steps for inserting column chart in your worksheet for completed data table. You understand the inserting column chart and give your answers and write this Roman in your CW. Next section we are going to see brainstorming. The next task here, the steps given in detail to create a chart are shown above. So the steps you have to follow. Here you have to create one table. You can give any data value, products, region 1, region 2, region 3. just create any table, you can create any column. You have to follow these steps, and you can click the steps as the given in your textbook. You can get the chart like that. So this is the steps you have to follow to creating chart. If you have a system in your home, just work on it, this task. You can get a good knowledge in MS Excel. Understand the task and do if you have system. This task no need to write in your CW, children. The final exercise for this lesson, creative moments and glossary. Creative moments you have to do as a C activity. Collect the population growth of Tamil Nadu since 2000 and create an area chart and give a title to it. Collect a population growth of Tamil Nadu since 2000 and create an area chart and give a title to it. You have to create one table in MS Excel. Population of Tamil Nadu, give a title and create a column, serial number, and state wise you have to growth of population, and get Google help to get a population value of Tamil Nadu, and you can create one table and you can put area chart. You can get a answer for this task. Try it. Next one, glossary. Legends. The meaning for the legend is, a legend is an area of a chart that helps to describe each of the parts of the chart. Axis, a line used to as a frame of reference for measurement. Sequential, following a particular order. I hope you know the sequential. Now giving a order wise, orderly, ascending order 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Axis, a line used as a frame of reference for a measurement. Axis, if we are using graph in max subject. Axis, you know. The legend's meaning, a legend is an area of the chart. It's an area of a place of the chart, helps to describe each of the parts of the chart. So these are the meaning for in a glossary section. Children, complete the CW, the mentioned Romans for this lesson. Complete it and give your answers. Very neat presentation. I am expecting a good presentations. So complete your answers in your textbook and class notes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me and I will clarify your doubts. I will meet you all in live session.